So when you turn the wheel using, this is hand over hand, turning left, turning right, and that's the hand over hand. But when you turn the wheel and hold the steering and lock the wheel, lock your hands like this is called cross, or some people calling it locking the wheels. Don't do it. You can lose control over the car. Only two techniques are allowed: hand over hand or pull and push. If this steering is a clock facing towards you, so we will divide this one into 4 parts: 12, 6, 9 and 3. So you can turn the wheel by using 9 o'clock, second hand will come around 12, and third hand will come around 3 o'clock. So watch again: 9, 12, and another one 12 o'clock. When you're turning right, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and another 12 o'clock. Now these are just guideline only. So I have taken 3 pieces of masking tape, hold the steering from quarter to 3 and put the first tape around here. This is for left turn. Turn the wheel up to 9 o'clock. The second hand, this was 12 o'clock. So second tape will come here. So that is first, second, and third one is also around 12 o'clock. So I have taken a texture. 1, 2, and that's number 3. So you can turn the wheel by doing 1, 2, 3 for a left turn. If you're going to turn right, so you have to replace the tape toward this way: 1, 2, and 3. So you have to change the tape this way. So this is what I'm going to show you, the 1, 2, 3 number. Let's do it. So I'm turning left here by using 1, 2, 3 number. 1, second hand coming on the second tape, third one coming on the third one. And let the wheel roll back and control with the palm of your hand. Again we're turning left. Same technique we're using, hand over hand. 1, 2, 3, release and control. Lot of my students, those who are not able to pick it up with 1, 2, 3 number, I use a different method with them. I use a color tape, white and green, or any color tape you can use it. So you hold the steering from quarter to 3, turn the wheel, and the first one, which is the green tape, will come here. Second one will come here, that's the white color tape. So for left turn, green and white. So for the right turn, you have to do the same other way around. So I'm going to show you practically that how we do it. Let's see. Keep an eye here. Look properly. So turning left again. That's the green. Second hand will come on the white. Release the wheel. Again I'm turning left. Slowly. Green. White. Let the steering roll back and control. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you have got any questions, please do write to us. Please drive safely on the road and I will see you next time.